Now, Manzanares passes Borromeo, and a whistle coming from our referee here. Now, Borromeo stepping on that free throw line para sa opportunity. No good on that first attempt. Let's see one more time kung makakakuha ba dito ng punto si Borromeo on that free throw line. And it was a basket.
Now, NPS Saints, anong gagawin now that they're stuck on 13? Morales. On the inside, steal from the NCF Cubs. Another point for our defending champion now, Morales. 13:45, a minute and 51 seconds remaining. Tries for that deep three.
Now, ball possession ulit dito ng NCF Tigers. What a great pass and a great points on that last sequence.
Napakabilis lang ng bola para dito sa ating NCF Cubs. NPS Saints, nahihirapan pa rin. Still, Batangas. Susubukan pumasok sa loob. But there's a double dribble para dito kay Batangas. Turnover for the side of the NCF Cubs.
And now, NCF Tiger Cubs is really maximizing their height advantages here on our game. And now, Sutpin looking for his teammate. And now, Gyanan back on this hard court. Passes to his teammate. Gyanan for that second chance point. No good. One more time for Gyanan. But this time, makakakuha na doon ng puntos ang ating NCF Tiger Cubs.
Now, NPS Saints, katulad nga sabi ni Coach Reyes dito ng NPS Saints, they are just enjoying their game because this would be a great avenue for them na para matuto. And for the next season of Bucal, I think the NPS Saints would be ready to take on the challenge.
Yes, Teen, you're right. Nakikita naman natin dito na merong mga potentials itong ating NPS Saints player, and they will treasure this moment and this experience para mag-bounce back on next season of this Bucal. And now, Sutpin ang magtatawid ng bola dito para sa NCF Tigers. 10 seconds to shoot. Now, Sutpin tries for that three. No good, but Gyanan with that offensive rebound and passes to his teammate. But walang basket na makukuha doon ang ating NCF Tiger Cubs. And that's the end of our second quarter. 49-13 at abante nga dito ang ating defending champion. Magbabalik po kami for our second half. Only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again! Dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, dinoble pa!
Big or small celebration, make it special, make it big.
Ipis taba, BMEG! Bilis kita! Tinuloy-tuloy ko hanggang BMEG Premium Grower 1 and 2. May Lean Plus technology, kaya mas mabigat at manipis ang taba sa pagbenta. Kaya tuloy nyo na! BMEG! Bilis kita!
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again, dahil ang doble na, dinoble pa. Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, dinoble pa!
Back again here at the ATENEO de Naga University Gymnasium for our second half of the matchup of the NPS Saints and the NCF Junior Cubs. 13-49 ang ating scoreboard. Now, Azor. Passes agad to Batangas. 2 seconds. Again, natawagan ng 24 seconds violation ng ating NPS Saints. Ball possession now of the Cubs.
And now, Giba to inbound para dito sa ating NCF Tiger Cubs. And now, Hernandez ang may hawak ng bola. Passes to Mahilo. And now, ball possession ngayon ng ating NPS Saints out of bounds.
Stuck on 13 pa rin po ang ating NPS Saints sa pagbubukas ng third quarter. Morales now. Pero shoutout muna tayo dito sa mga nanonood. Hello kay Donna Villegas, Noah Alden, Daniel Toplado at kay Chasapet Guyana. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay.
Back to NCF ang bola dito. Hernandez, their ace player, looking for his teammate. And now, Mahilom. Passes to Giba at para makahingi tayo ng update all the way from the bench of the Saints. Let's call our courtside reporter, Icy. Hi, Icy. Kumusta? Anong update natin dyan?
We are now off to the third quarter. Hindi naman sila nawawalan ng pag-asa despite sa kalamangan ng kalaban. Patuloy na ipinapaalala ni Coach Reyes sa mga players to make the ball move and patatagin ang depensa. Dagdag pa nito na just go for the ball at ipakita ang kanilang individual and team skills sa basketball. Yan muna ang update sa side ng NPS Saints. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Tin.
Thank you so much, Icy. Ayan nga, hindi pa rin nawawala ng pag-asa dito si Coach Reyes. And of course, sa ating halftime analysis, madami-dami dito ang ating field goals for the NCF Cubs. As for the offensive rebounds, with the help of their height, 13 po ang offensive rebounds dito ng ating NCF Cubs. While marami-rami po ang turnovers na na-encounter ng NPS Saints sa ating first half. Now, 15 and 53 para sa ating third quarter. Still, that's the ball possession of the NPS Saints. At para makahingi tayo ng update all the way from the side of the NCF Cubs, tawagan natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kyla. Hi Kyla, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Tino. We are now on third quarter of this matchup at ramdam na natin ang support ng NCF community for this game. At andito rin ang kanilang school president na si Engineer Mario Villanueva. At lamang pa rin nga ang Cubs sa matchup na ito. They are continuously dominating this game against the Saints. So we can see the team chemistry of the Cubs that really work for this game. And Coach Momo commended their good communication inside the court, and he reminded his players that it is not important na matambakan nila ang kalaban, but the important is the good execution that they are showing to us today. Yan muna ang update side ng Cubs. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Tin.
Thank you so much, Kyla, for that update. So yun nga, Tin, they are dominating this game. Kitang-kita naman dito sa ating scoreboard. Pero ang pinaka sinabi talaga ni Coach Momo sa kanila, and to play their game, wag tingnan ang score, ipakita lang kung ano ang kaya nila at kung ano ang pre-practice and proper execution sa kanilang game plan. And we would like to commend the presence of our president here in Bucal. Engineer Mario C. Villanueva is with us, joining here on our game. Again, the matchup between the NCF Cubs and the NPS Saints. Thank you so much, sir, for your support.
Now another point for the NCF Cubs. Now Azor. 15-59. Still ball possession niya ng ating NPS Saints. 44 ang kalamangan dito ng NCF Cubs. Bermejo babalik muli sa side ng ating NPS Saints. Bermejo to inbound. Morales now. They will try to go inside. Another double dribble for the side of the NPS Saints. Now NCF Cubs. Giba. Given to Vargas. Hernandez tries for 3. No good. Offensive rebound. So this would be jersey number 10, Mahilom, on the free throw line. That's good for that 3-point opportunity. Now, Bermejo. Nahihirapan pa rin makakuha ng puntos dito. On the corner, no good. Rebound by Gianan. Gianan to Giba. Giba now to Hernandez. Good ball rotation. Tries for 3. No good. Offensive rebound. Mahilom again. With that point again. Free throw para sa kanya. Napakaganda ng plays dito ng ating NCF Cubs. Mahilom again on the free throw line for a 3-point opportunity. That's good. Now Valenzuela to Bermejo. Hindi na mawala. Steal. Another steal for the NPS Saints. Bermejo for 3, no good.
Now, ball possession ngayon ng defending champion. What a great block coming from NPS
Wow.
Saints.
Na-block kayo ni Bermejo.
And now, the ball will stay on the side of the NCF Tiger Cubs. Now, Borromeo looking for Giba. And Giba tries for that 3. No good on that last attempt. But now, offensive rebound para dito sa ating Cubs. And with that, Giba on that second chance point.
Now, NPS Saints with stock on 15. Batangas. Pass to Yamado. 10 seconds to shoot here. Bermeo with that 3-point shot.
So yun ang kailangang paigtingin dito ng ating NPS Saints. Their shooting percentage and their offense para makakuha ng madaming score dito sa larong ito. And now Hernandez, dire-diretso sa gitna, but a great steal coming from the Saints.
Now, Bermejo again. To Batangas on the inside. No good. Still, Batangas tries again. Wala pa rin. Now for the third time. No good.
And now, again, ball possession ngayon ng Cubs.
Now there's a lot of opportunity for the NPS Saints pero hindi pa rin nila nakuha yun. 3 minutes and 52 seconds remaining para sa ating third quarter. 18-67.
And now, Giba tries for that 3. No good. Offensive rebound, but still coming from the Saints.
Now Yamado nagmamadali.
Back-to-back steal coming from these both teams. And now, Giba taking his time and looking for his teammate. Borromeo, Giba.
But there was a whistle foul here.
And now Giba is on the free throw line para sa kanyang free throw opportunity dito sa ating NCF Tiger Cubs. One more time for Giba. No good.
But this time, na ipasok ngayon, De La Martires. Still, coming from Giba, Didiretso layup. No good. But that's a second chance point. Para dito, kay Rodriguez. A 3-point opportunity para sa kanya. Basket counts with foul. Pero shoutout muna tayo dito kay Andrea Isabel Aguayo at kay Joyce Habak Lesano. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagantabay. Now, this is the ball possession of the NPS Saints. Abangan nyo po mamaya for our second game. It's the Annunciation Panthers versus the Pasakaw Academy Juniors Basketball. For the third game, the USI Falcons versus the ACC Green Serpents Seniors Basketball. At for our last game, it's the ATENEO Golden Knights versus the CSPC Blue Stallions Seniors Basketball. Now, NPS, no good.
Bola ngayon ng NCF. Now Rodriguez looking for his teammate. And now Borromeo, what a great pass doon kay Giba, and Giba executed well on that last play.
Now, De Las Martires, Tulyamado. Pass to Batangas. A miscommunication between the players.
And now again, Cubs with the ball possession. Rodriguez passes to Borromeo. And again, Borromeo passes to Loria again. Magandang pagpasa.
Yes.
On that last two plays, talaga namang nakakakuha ng magandang puntos dito ang ating NCF Cubs.
Ang ganda ng mga assist dito ng NCF Cubs. Now, Batangas. Munti ka nang mawala. Oh! But still, Batangas with that ball. Valenzuela nahihirapan dito. Again, a 24 seconds violation from the Saints.
So kitang-kita natin na very dominant ang NCF when it comes to their defense. That's why ang NPS Saints ay palaging nauubusan ng oras para sa kanilang shooting dito sa larong ito.
Now, Junior Cubs. Toka now. Pass on the corner. Babalik sa kanya. Tries for deep three. Too short. Now, out of bounds. So, it's the ball possession of the NPS Saints. Parma handling the ball. Pass to Batangas. Parma, anong gagawin? Batangas for three. No good. Offensive rebound of the NPS. Tries again. In and out.
And now, Toka ang magtatawid ng bola dito para sa Cubs. Passes to Rodriguez. And now, 27 seconds remaining on our time. Loria passes to his teammate Toka, and Toka was blocked, but Toka cannot.
Now the NPS Saints only has 13 seconds to shoot. Batangas for three. No good.
Out of bounds ball. Ball possession ngayon ng Saints. Unstoppable talaga dito ang ating Cubs. You
No.
cannot stop
Yes.
the heart of this defending champion. And that's the end of our third quarter here in Bucal Season 5. Again, a matchup between the Cubs and the Saints. Abante dito ang ating defending champion at pagbabalik po kami sa ating final and fourth quarter only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
We are back again here at the ATENEO de Naga University Gymnasium for our last quarter of the matchup of the NPS Saints and the NCF Junior Cubs. Now, ball possession of the NPS. Morales tries for 3. No good.
Ball possession ngayon ng ating Cubs. Rodrigueza. Kanina ibibigay? Given. A traveling violation was committed by the NCF Tiger Cubs player. And traveling violation is brought to us by Nagayan Travel and Tours. Nagayan. Live your dreams. Create memories.
Now, Morales. Bermejo. Babalik kay Morales. On the inside, no good. Offensive rebound. Wala pa rin.
And now, again, from first quarter up until this last quarter, talagang dominante dito ang NCF Tiger Cubs. What a great game para dito sa ating defending champion. Dagdagan pa ang kalamangan nila with that points coming from Rodrigueza.
Now, Morales. Still, they want to get a point. Bermejo tries for deep 3. No good.
Again, back to NCF ang bola natin dito. Ten seconds remaining on our shot clock.
Yan nga. Napatawag na nga ng timeout ang ating NPS Saints. 18:79. 8 minutes and 22 seconds remaining para sa ating last quarter. Again po, abangan niyo po sa ating second game. It's the Annunciation Panthers versus the Pastakao Academy for the juniors basketball. Of course, batiin lang din natin ang ating mga live viewers dito sa Bucal Facebook page. We have Gilbert Panyal, Cindy May Amero Colyantes, kay Kayla Marie Tuason, at kay Julius Cesar Tandog. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay.
Yan, Tina would like to acknowledge the presence of our live audiences here at Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium. And as you can see on our screen, andito yung mga seniors basketball player ng ating NCF Tigers. Nakikita ko dito sila Abareta na nakaupo sa ating bench.
And now, para makarinig tayo ng update all the way from the side of the NCF Junior Cubs, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kayla. Hi Kayla, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Tino. We are now on the last quarter of this matchup at lamang na lamang pa rin nga ang NCF Cubs for this quarter. After the huddle, Coach Momo reminds them to continue what they shown to us in the last 3 quarters of the game. consistency is the key. Yan nga ang kailangan para magtutuloy ang kanilang momentum. That's all for the side of balik sa inyo, Rick and team.
Thank you so much, Carla, for that update. So yun nga, the praise, consistency is the key. Yan ang pinangahawakan ngayon dito ng NCF Tiger Cubs to get their second win here in Bucal Season 5. And on that last sequence nga, napatawag ng timeout ang ating NCF Tigers. At para makingi tayo ng update all the way from the bench of the Saints, let's call our courtside reporter, IC. Hi IC, kumusta? Anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Rick. And then Bicolandia, third quarter is now over and we can see that the NCF Cubs is on the lead. However, patuloy pa rin na lumalaban ng NPS Saints. Coach Reyes keeps on reminding the player na patindihin pa ang kanilang depensa and just execute the game. Dagdag pa nito na don't lose hope and just enjoy the game. These are the new updates from the side of the NPS Saints. What are your reactions, predictions, and thoughts this match? Share at i-comment nyo na yan sa ating Facebook Live. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Tin.
Thank you so much, IC. Ayan nga, sabi nga dito ni Coach Reyes, don't lose hope and just enjoy the game. And now that we are on the fourth quarter, 21-79, napakalaking kalamangan po ng ating NCF Junior Cubs. Now this will be their ball possession. Still coming from Batangas, medyo uminit siya dito sa fourth quarter. No good.
So as you can hear in our background, the chanting of the Tigers community, talagang buong-buo ang suporta dito ng ating Tigers community. Lamang nga dito ang kanilang kupunan. And now, Campana for that free throw opportunity on the side of Cubs. No good on that first attempt. One more time for Campana. And that's good.
Now, time for the NPS Saints. Morales. They're taking their time. Pass to Bermejo. Batangas. What will he do? Bermejo tries for three. No good.
And now, out of bounds ball para dito sa ating NCF Cubs. Ball possession ngayon ng Saints.
Morales. No good. No. NCF Cubs ball possession.
What a great pass. Great basketball game para dito sa ating NCF Cubs.
Batangas. 28 or 21-82 sa ating scoreboard. Again, NPS trying to get a point.
What a great steal again coming from Cubs. And now, a great move. Samahan pa yan ng magandang puntos para dito sa ating NCF Tiger Cubs. Hands down to all the players of this team.
Now, but before anything else, we would like to thank our dearest sponsors. We have the Havaianas Biggs Diner and the Elise Sportswear. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. But now, NPS Saints nahihirapan sa laban kontra sa NCF Junior Cubs. Morales. Hahanap dito ng papasahan. Bermejo. Back to Morales. Now, what will they do? Again, natawagan muli ng 24 seconds violation ang ating NPS Saints.
And now, Sutpin ang magtatawid dito ng bola para dito sa ating Junior Cubs. Now, on our remaining time, we have 5 minutes and 24 seconds.
I think the NCF Junior Cubs is just enjoying the game now that we are coming to an end with this matchup.
Yes, comfortable lead para dito sa Junior Cubs.
Now, Tu Valenzuela of the NPS Saints is back on the court. Now, NPS Saints Morales on the free throw line. That's good. Now, Junior Cubs ball possession.
Again, Manzanares chooses his teammate, Bersnabe, and it was good.
We're just on the 5 seconds remaining of the game. Bermejo. Pass to Morales. Morales. But still, ball possession yan ng NPS Saints. .22-89 Morales. Bermejo tries for 3. Too short.
Ayan na naman ang ating Junior Cubs, libreng-libre on that point.
I think Basagre was one of the key players on this matchup.
Yes.
Napakaganda ng mga pinapakita niyang pagpuntos dito sa side ng ating NCF Junior Cubs. Now, Morales. There was a whistled foul here. Four minutes and 9 seconds remaining. Still, the ball possession of the NPS Saints. Valenzuela. Sean to inbound. Ooh, a wrong pass.
One more time for Basagre. And it was good.
Morales now. They're just taking up their time here. De La Martires. Sean. Still, ball possession of the NPS Saints. 3 minutes and 35 seconds remaining. 22-93 po para sa ating fourth quarter. Bermejo to Morales. Naubusan muli ng oras dito ang NPS Saints. Now, ball possession of the NCF Cubs. Nagmamadali dito. Sutpin. That's good. Morales. To Bermeo, tries for 3. That's good. Nadagdagan ng 3 ang ating NPS Saints. Now, another point for Basagre.
What an impressive basketball game para dito kay Basagre.
Yan, shoutout naman tayo dito kay John Del Peñas Pulay Monreal, kay Joyce Lizano na nanonood sa ating live. Again, Bermejo in and out. Still ball possession of the NPS Saints. Bermejo. No good. Now, NCF Junior Cubs may plano pang dagdagan ang kanilang puntos. Basagre again with another 2 points. Morales. They're just taking up their time. Pass to Martires. Diretso sa loob for a layup, no good. Sutpin again. We are now on the last 2 minutes of the game of the NPS Saints and the NCF Junior Cubs. Morales. De La Martires for 3 points, no good. Junior Cubs, ball possession. Still on their side. Another layup para dito kay Bernabe. Now the Saints is just enjoying the game. Bermejo, no good. Cubs, para patasin pa ang kalamangan nila dito. Bernabe, pass to Basagre. Basagre on the inside, another layup, no good. But andyan si Bernabe for a 2-point opportunity. Morales, still from the Junior Cubs. Bernabe again, passes to Basagre, another 2 points for the Junior Cubs. No good again. 40 seconds remaining. Sutpin may hawak ng bola. We can feel it. The second win of the NCF Junior Cubs for the Season 5 of the Bucal Juniors Basketball.
Yes, Tino, that because they are showing as an impressive basketball game here inside the ATENEO Naga Gymnasium. What a commendable effort by this squad. Offensive rebound. And that's it in.
And that's
Are
it,
having
Rick.
our winner on our game. Panalo nga dito ang ating NCF Tiger Cubs, 107 against 25 of NPS Saints. Don't go away kasi sa pagbabalik namin, makikilala natin ang ating best player of the game. Dito lang yan sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again, dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
Big or small celebration, make it special, make it big.
And our best player of the game is brought to you by Naga College Foundation, the home of the champion. At Dugong Tigre pa rin nga ang nangibabaw for this game. The best player of the game is jersey number 3 with 22 points and 2 rebounds. He is none other than John Bernard Basagre. Hello, Bernard. So how does it feel na kayo ulit ang nanalo for this game? Matanong ko lang, ano ba yung personal preparations mo na nakatulong sa'yo for this game?
Yung mga sinasabi po sa akin ng coach namin, yung pag-motivate po talaga niya sa amin at yung yung training po namin talagang pinag-uusayan namin araw-araw at gabi-gabi po.
At dahil nakita ko nga kung gaano ka kagaling, ano ba yung mindset mo lagi tuwing naglalaro na nakakatulong sa'yo every game?
Lagi ko lang pong iniisip yung future ko po para makatulong po sa family ko para po ito sa kanila.
At speaking of reminders naman, ano ba yung reminders ni Coach Momo na nakakatulong sa'yo every game?
Lagi niya po sa akin sinasabing lang po, go hard lang po sa training, laging ganyan lang po para po makuha yung best namin.
At dahil ikaw ang ating best player of the game, batiin mo na mga gusto mong batiin.
Unang-una po gusto kong magpasalamat sa aming President Mario Villanueva po, sa aming coaches, si Coach Mumu, si Coach Brian Ayo, si Coach Kyle, si Coach Lim, si Coach Apple, si Coach Lisano po. Maraming salamat po at sa family ko po, Papa Bernie, si Nanay Lilia, Tito Joey, Tito Christian, mga family ko po sa Laguna at sa todo support po sa akin si Mami Ne, nag-support po talaga sa akin para makapush dito yung po namin trainer, si Coach Dan, si Coach Parco, tas sa family matsarap ko po, si Tita Jane, tas si Tito Jeff. Maraming salamat. Yun lang po.
Thank you so much and congratulations. There you have it, John Bernard Basagre of the NCF Cubs. Thank you so much sa lahat na nakatutok at nanood sa atin ngayon. This has been your courtside reporter, Kayla Casulyo. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Tin.
And that's our best player of the game, jersey number 3, John Basagre, with 22 points and 2 rebounds. Ayan nga, napakaganda nga ng ipinakitang laro dito ng ating NCF Junior Cubs.
Yan, Tin. What a great basketball game between these two teams. At yun nga, kudos to the NCF Tiger Cubs kasi nakuha na nila ang kanilang pangalawang panalo here on our Bucal Season 5. And abangan natin ang pangalawang laro, a matchup between the Annunciation Panthers and the Pasakaw Academy. We would like to thank our dearest sponsor sa lahat ng mga nasa likod ng ating Bucal Season 5. Thank you so much. Again, my name is Rick Puerta.
And I am Christina Reyes. Dito lang po yan sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.